Looking for privacy? This is it. This wooded lot in the desirable Sea Gate neighborhood is an exceptional spot to build your dream home. With the right floor plan, you could be enjoying water views and watching boats as they traverse the ICW. Septic permitting application will need to be submitted. Septic engineer will need to be utilized. This lot also has 100 feet of road frontage on Country Club Lane. Seize this incredible opportunity to just add water to your lifestyle.